Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss when someone tags you in a photo on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the latest steps to allow photo tag notifications, so you can stay connected and always be in the loop when friends or followers include you in their memories. Let's get started. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the menu on the left side of the screen. Find the icon labeled More and click on it. This will expand a menu with several additional options. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize how X works for you, including all your notification preferences. Once inside the Settings menu, click on Notifications. You'll see a few different options here, but what we're looking for is under Preferences. Go ahead and click on Preferences to continue. Within Preferences, you'll find Push Notifications. Click on that and you'll see a range of notification types you can enable or disable. Look for the option labeled Photo Tags. Make sure to check the box next to Photo Tags. This setting ensures you'll get a notification every time someone tags you in a photo, whether it's a friend, a follower, or anyone else on X. And that's it. You're all set. By following these steps, you'll receive instant notifications whenever you're tagged in a photo, so you can engage, respond, or simply enjoy the moment as soon as it happens. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who want to stay updated on X's latest features. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy staying connected on X.